Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na tatigyan natin ang nagsabihin sa inyo natin magabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of December 8 hanggang December 14 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading sa journey lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sampag support sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na gumapaw man ang balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit ka na dahil nandito na ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages give me information for the sign of Cancer. Ano kaya ang pinaka-messages sa iyo ating mga gabay for today's video? Angel Spirit, please give me information. So there's a four of wands, six of wands. So there's an information na there's a victory and success. So dito pala sa unang baraha, magtatagumpay ka na, no? Talagang there's a victory coming in for you. Parang there's an information na, maghanda ka na, ito na, magsisimula na panibagong eksena. Come on. And of course, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, let's see, there's a Three of Swords in reverse. So, there is an information by releasing the pain. So, some of you, kumbaga makaka-recover ka na. There is an apology coming in for you. And because there is a Five of Cups, so there is a regret or something disappointment, no? Kumbaga, there's a losses or something moving on. So, kailangan mo na makalis sa situation or kailangan mo na mag-move on. Additional messages for you. Additional message for you is the Ace of Wands. So, there's a victory and success and of course a new beginning. So, there's a new opportunities coming in with the growth and expansion. And of course, there's an energetic eksena dito. And of course, there's a King of Pentacles. So, there's a secure and of course, there's a practical pagdating sa finances. No, there's a security provider. No, kumbaga pagdating sa finances, talagang secure tong tao na to. At kaya niya pangalagaan at protection ng business industry niya. Or something, company, gano'n, kung may company to. And of course, there is a Six of Cups. So, there's a first person coming back. Or some of you, there's a memories, no? Or something, a familiar gifts. Or healing. So, let's see what is a Six of Wands. And because there's a King of Cups. So, there's a devoted and supportive person. Some of you, kumbaga, maaari magtagumpay ka na, kumbaga, makikilala mo na kung sinong tao yung susuporta sa'yo at talagang, kumbaga, tutulungan ka hanggang dulo. So, let's see what is the Three of Swords in reverse. So, there's a Nine of Pentacles. So, there's a recovery about sa finances. No? Kumbaga, some of you guys nagkaroon financial loss. Kumbaga, this is the moment na kumbaga makaka-recover ka na. Unting-unti nang lalakas ang iyong negosyo or hanap buhay. No? Kaya kailangan gagalingan mo dito. No? There's a success. So, let's see what is the Five of Cups. And of course, guys, there's a King of Wands. So, there's a control, no? Kontrolin mo tong emotions mo, no? Kailangan maging balance ka. At gamitan mo tong charm na to para makaakit ka ng mga magagandang eksena. Nang sa ganun, hindi ka ma-disappoint or something reject or hindi ka ma-reject, no? Ng kahit na sino. Kung magagamitan mo ng charms and protections. And of course, kailangan mo kontrolin yung situation, ha? Yung kailangan yung emotions mo, kailangan makontrol mo yan. Kasi masyado ka kasi nagiging nega. And because there's a Nine of Pentacles, so there's slow and steady, no? Kaya kailangan kumbaga sa finances, kumbaga there's a practical, and of course, kailangan na habaan ng pasensya, no? And of course, be grounded. And of course, kailangan marunong ka mag-commit sa isang eksena o business or something, relasyon. And of course, there's a Page of Sword. Kumbaga, maging matalino ka pagdating sa finances or pagdating sa business, 'di ba? Kailangan proteksyonan mo about sa business mo, 'di ba? Pag alam mong matumal, galingan mo. Gumawa ka ng bagay na alam mong makakapag-isip ka paano mo makahatak yung mga client or something customers, 'di ba? So, let's see what is the Six of Cups. And of course, there's a Page of Cups. So, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. So, nagkakaroon dito na kumbaga, intuition or inner voice na makikinig ka sa inner voice mo dito. And kasi sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's an inner child from your memories. Parang may mga pinagdaanan ka sa nakaraan mong pagkabata, no? So, let's see what is that. Parang may mga pinagdaanan ka dito na, kumbaga, nagbigay sa'yo ng ano, no? Kumbaga, pangarap or something, no? So, let's see what is the Six of Wands and of course, the King of Cups. So, there's a partnership. So, nakilala mo na yung tao talagang magpapasaya sa'yo, talagang magmamahal sa'yo. Nakilala mo na talaga siya. So, there's a partnership, unified love, diba? So, there's an information by the Three of Swords in reverse and the Nine of Pentacles. So, there's a Knight of Swords. So, there's a success driven. And be assertive, no? Pagdating sa mga desisyon mo. At makaka-recover ka na rin dito physically and mentally. No? Magkakaroon ka ng emotional and physical healing. And of course, about sa finances, mag-grow na to. And of course, there's a success driven. Talagang parating na yung success na to dahil naging, kumbaga, naging mahaba yung pasensya mo. Parang naging kalmado ka. So, let's see what is the Five of Cups and of course, the King of Wands. The Five of Cups and of course the King of Wands. So there's a Two of Wands. So there's a two, the first step or something, the choices, no? Kumbaga may mga pipili ka dito, tignan mo yung mga giging possibilities or situations. And of course, pag-isipan mo, should I go or should I stay kung sa situation mo or sa kaganapan mo sa eksena na yan. No, kailangan mo pag-isipan. So let's see what is the Ace of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. And of course, there's a justice. So there's a good karma coming in for you. So, pero kasi kumbaga, kung ano yung naging cause and effect sa situation mo, kumbaga magdadala to ng new opportunities. So, let's see what is the King of Pentacles and of course, the Page of Swords. And of course, there's a Four of Cups. So, reevaluations, no? Excuse me. Inom lang ako ng water, guys, ha? Reevaluate or analyze. No, kailangan pag-iisipan mo na kailangan maging matalino ka na sa paggamit or pag-spend ng pera or something investment, no? So, let's see what is the Six of Cups and the Page of Cups. And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune. So, there's a destiny to happen, no? Kumbaga talagang pinangarap mo lang tapos ngayon abot kamay mo na, no? Kumbaga may mga pinagdaanan ka sa iyong pagkabata na pinangarap mo na ngayon abot kamay mo na. Kumbaga, ang layo-layo mo na sa dating ikaw. So, parang binigyan ka ng opportunity ng ating university to grow and of course expand, no, on your own beliefs and on your own hands, no. Kumbaga, nasa kamay mo kung paano ka, kumbaga, paano mo papatakbuhin ang buhay mo o paano mo gagawa ng paraan kung paano ka makabangon at makaahon at paano mo magiging kumbaga paano mo mapapabago ang buhay mo, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Kumbaga, there's a justice for a cause and effect, di ba? Kung ano yung tinanim mo siya, itong aanihin mo, yung tinatawag na gano'n. Di ba? Kung nag-sacrifice ka, kung bagay na inuna mo yung mga bagay na yan, no, kaysa sa mga walang kabuluhan. Tapos ngayon, di ba? Kumbaga nag-harvest ka na sa lahat ng mga bagay na yan. Kumbaga, it's a good part na kumbaga natutunan mo, no? Natutunan mong pahalagahan lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. And because there's a Five of Pentacles, so there's a financial loss or something, isolation. Kumbaga, parang nasa-sense ko dito na, kumbaga, tinatapos mo na yung with the death card, no? Yung, kumbaga, yung feeling isolation or something worry pagdating sa finances. Kasi yun yung naghatak sa'yo ng fear and doubt, no? Kaya, kumbaga, parang bumagal yung takbo ng pasok na magandang kapalaran sa'yo. Kumbaga, this is the moment na parang tinatapos mo na, no? Parang, kumbaga, nag-surrender ka na sa ating universe sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo. That there's a transformation, the ending and a new beginning. And of course, sa dito with the Hermit card, there's a soul searching. Kumbaga, natuklasan mo at nalaman mo kung paano mo papangalagaan yung emotion mo and of course about sa spiritual and of course about sa physical mo. So let's see about sa career. What is additional messages? So there's a Page of Wands. So there's a good news pagdating sa career, may mga magandang balita. And of course there's a fresh ideas kang makukuha, no, at malalaman. And of course there's an information by the Six of Swords, transition. So pagdating sa career mo, talagang there's kumbaga improvement na mangyayari, no? So pagdating naman sa love life, Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information. So, there's an Hierophant. So, some of you guys, ha, kumbaga, there's an information na, kumbaga, lesson learned, or something of separations, or something, kumbaga, there's an educated na nangyari sa'yo, no? And because there's a Page of Pentacles, there's a gift or something, manifestation, may mga bagay na unti-unti ka na nagmamanifest, parang nag-i-invest ka na sa sarili mo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for your health. Para naman sa health is the King of Cups, ay the Knight of Cups, and of course the Seven of Cups. Kumbaga dito parang nag-overthink ka, naguguluhan ka. Kumbaga there's a confusion, parang kumbaga minsan siguro sumasakit ang ulo mo dahil parang naguguluhan ka or something. Ang daming pupasok sa yung mga plano or something options, no? And because there's an offer, kumbaga yun yung sinasabi, maraming offer. Kaya ang tendency, naguguluhan ka and kasi hindi ka makatulog. Kasi kahit matulog ka sa gabi, diba? Kumbaga nag-activate pa rin yung isip mo. Parang feeling mo, yung utak mo, no, gumagana pa rin siya, active pa rin siya. Kaya para na, kumbaga nahihirapan ka dito, kumbaga kailangan mong mag-unwind kahit papaano, no? Kasi parang ang daming tumatakbo sa isip mo dito. So let's see what is additional messages for magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages, angel, spirit guide, please give me information. And of course, there's patience, practice, and practice. So, kailangan mong, practice pala, no? So, there's a practice. So, kailangan mong i-enhance yung abilities mo, even your emotions, and of course, your knowledge, no? Sa lahat ng aspeto, kailangan mong kailangan mo mag-practice, no? Emotional, physical, or something emotional, no? Kailangan mo talagang kumbaga practicean tong bagay kung paano mo siya ipapolish, no? So let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Para makapag-boost ka ng confidence, ganon. So let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. And because there is a close off guarded, no? Protectionan mo yung isip mo, no? Kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na pupasok sa isip mo, no? Kumbaga, protectionan mo yan. Kumbaga, yung mga bagay na alam mo magkakaroon ng cause and effect or something na kung ano yung possibilities, and of course, yung lighter side of situation, ganyan titingnan mo. And of course, there's triggers. Ito yung nagtitriggers for conflict, no? Yung pagiging illusions mo dito, yung paranoid. And of course, there's an avoidance. May mga bagay na kailangan mong iwasan. Mag-isip ng nega, no? Release the negativity. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit guides. And of course, the haters, the birth as a portal, deep love. So, excuse me. Parang pinapalalim yung situation dito na oh my God. Parang pinapalalim yung situation dito na parang kumbaga titingnan yung mga bagay-bagay na kumbaga yung pinahahalagahan mo or something yung kung ano ba talaga yung magsiserve sa'yo, no? Kumbaga there's an unconditional love sa lahat ng bagay, no? Even sa animal, sa tips, sa material thing, no? There's an unconditional love. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's a prayer, no? Kailangan mo magdasal, no? Magdasal. There's a complacency, kumbaga, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, iiyak mo lang, no? At huwag mong hayaan na, kumbaga, mabaon ka sa nakaraan or na mabaon ka sa kalungkutan. Kailangan mong, huwag mong hayaan na, kumbaga, mapunta ka dyan sa punto na yan na ikaw na lang, no? Kaya kailangan maging aware ka at kailangan pag-ingatan mo. At kung may pagdating na sa love life, no? Kumbaga, gawin mo yung part mo bilang isang person, no? Bilang may partner. Para walang pagsisisihan. And of course, there's an acceptance. May mga bagay na kailangan mong tanggapin. So, let's see what is additional. Pagtanggap yan, meron dito pagtanggap. So, let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. Okay, there's a spirituality. And of course, there's a daydream. So, ito nga imagination, di ba? Yung sinasabi ko pay attention ka sa mga iniisip mo. Kasi some of you, nagpa-paranoid ka na no? So, let's see what is additional messages for this energy. And of course, guys, there's a victory. No? Magtatagumpay ka dito with a victory. Additional messages. And because there's an indecision, hindi ka pa makapag-desisyon. Na may mga bagay na hindi ka pa makapag-desisyon. Additional messages for angel spirit guides. And there's an animals. I told you, there's an unconditional love by animals. No? Some of you animal lover. No, may mga pets yan, no? May mga alaga silang mga hayop dyan. So, additional messages. And because there's a success, no? Magtatagumpay ka dito. There's a success coming in for you. And of course, there's an health, no? Pati sa health mo to, kailangan maging aware ka kasi nagkakaroon ka ng something depression or stress or anxieties or isolations, no? So, let's see what is the romance angels. So, there's a you deserve love. So, deserve mo naman daw mahalin. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Positive thoughts create a positive result. So, kailangan always think positive, not being optimistic. And of course, there's a your children's watch over by angels, no? Ginagabayan daw yung mga anak ng ating mga anghel, no? So, let's see what is the Monsology. Let's see what is the Monsology. And work through your fears. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo, ha? Labanan mo yan. And of course, a new romantic cycle begins. So, magsisimula na panibagong cycle pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. No? So, there's an angel's answer, guys. Pwede kayo mag-isip na magiging questions nyo. Bibilang ako ng 3. Kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo ng question, okay? 1, 2, 3. Nakapag-isip na ba ang lahat? So, ilaban na natin. Angel's answer, give me an answer for their question, okay? Okay. Kailangan nakapag-isip na, guys, ha? Okay. Isip-isip na, guys, ng questions, habang ano. So, ito ang unang kasagutan. No? There's a don't stop. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong wag ihinto, wag itigil, tuloy-tuloy lang. Diba? Additional messages. And of course, improving health. So, some of you, nag-i-improve na raw yung health nyo. No? And of course, there's a big happy changes. No? May pagbabago mangyayari daw dito sa buhay mo. No? Improving health, don't stop. And of course, there's a okay, let's see. Don't stop, big happy changes, and of course, improving health, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo talagang magkakaroon ka na ng bagong simula dito. Huwag kang ma-stress, Huwag kang mag-ano dyan, mag-being paranoid something, huh? Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Sinasabi dito, let not your heart be troubled, neither let be afraid, no? Pwede kang, kumbaga, mangamba or something, pwede kang magdalawang isip kung ano man yan. Kumbaga, wag mong hayaan, no? Pwede kang matakot, pero wag kang mahayaan mong maguluhan yung puso mo, no? Parang ganun yung sinasabi. Pwede kang matakot, pero wag kang mong hayaan ang puso mo ang maguluhan sa situation. So, let's see what is angel's number. And there's a 28, I am leader. So, sinasabi dito, in an effort to accomplish great things of recognize the value of working with other, you make a capable, compassionate leader who can bring people together and drive a team towards achievement. So, ibig sabihin dito, kaya mong pamunuan, no? Yung mga bagay-bagay para may sakatuparan yung mga pangarap mo, even, no? Sa inyong partnership with your loved ones, no? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo silang panghawakan at kayang-kaya mo silang dalhin, no? Sa kung ano man ang gusto mo ma-accomplish sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is additional messages for messages of life. Messages of life, give me an information. Angel Spirit Guide. So, there's a remain in the life. So, sinasabi dito, today, I observe, I take time to think calmly and wisely. I go forward with a complete confidence knowing I will succeed. No matter what happened today, I will remain in the light. I will maintain my faith and equilibrium. In this way, I nurture my soul and become a stronger and steady representative of the light. So, sino na natili ka sa kaliwanagan? Kahit na parang pili mo ang labo-labo na nangyayari sa buhay mo, nananatili ka pa rin naniniwala sa mangyayari sa buhay mo na at the end of the road, there's a light coming in for you. Diba? Kumbaga, alam mo na ngayon ka lang nagugulo o ngayon lang nagkakaroon ng eksena sa buhay mo na parang ang dilim-dilim na sitwasyon. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo, lilinaw din at magkakaroon ng magandang bukas na nakalaan para sa'yo. So, this is the weekly gabay for the month of December 8 hanggang December 14 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, yan. Maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sampung supporter sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ni Diyos at may kapal. Siksik digdig na gumawa mo ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.